There are hundreds if not thousands of poisonous plants in the world, and some of them are deadly. In this video we count down the 5 most poisonous plants in the world. Members of the genus Typhoon Baker are made up of cells containing microscopic needle-shaped crystals of calcium isolate called ralphides, shown here at 600 times magnification. When leaves of this plant are chewed, these tiny spears of calcium oxalate typically lead to oral irritation, excessive drooling and swelling. In rare cases, however, irritation becomes so severe that the tongue, mouth and throat are effectively immobilized. Arbus precatorius is native to Indonesia, where its vibrant black, red and white beads are often used in the region's percussion instruments, but the seeds are also highly poisonous on the account of their abran content. Abran, which is chemically similar to the ricin found in castor seeds, sabotages your body's functions at the cellular level by inactivating ribosomes, the molecular machines in your body responsible for synthesizing proteins. The abran content of just one seed is said to be fatal to humans. Throughout the coast of the Caribbean, Central America, the northern edges of South America and even South Florida, there can be found a pleasant looking beachy sort of tree, often laden with small greenish yellow fruits that look like apples. This is the chenille, known sometimes as the beach apple. The sap of this tree is extremely toxic. It causes burn-like blisters upon contact with any skin, and if you're unfortunate enough to get it in your eyes, temporary blindness is highly likely. This sap is found throughout the tree, including in the bark and leaves. The specific toxins found in this sap and the fruits remain partially unknown, but not unused. The Aboriginal peoples of the Caribbean were familiar with the tree and used it for many purposes. The sap in particular was used to tip arrows. This species of tree belongs to the same family of oleander, and is also quite toxic to humans. The seeds of this tree contains a toxin called cerberin, a potent compound capable of disrupting calcium ion channels in heart muscles, which can lead to an irregular heartbeat that is often fatal if the toxin is ingested in high enough quantities. The plant has been referred to by some as the perfect weapon. Getting someone to ingest the cerberin is purportedly pretty easy to do, as its flavour can be disguised by spices when served in food. The toxin is also notorious for being overlooked in autopsies. The castor oil plant is originally native to Africa, but is cultivated all over the world as a commercial or ornamental plant. In areas with suitable climate, castor establishes itself easily where it can become an invasive plant, and can often be found on wasteland. The seeds contain ricin, a potent poison that damages animal tissue. A fatal dose of this for an adult is 4 to 8 seeds. The toxicity of raw castor beans is due to the presence of ricin. Although the lethal dose in adults is considered to be 4 to 8 seeds, reports of actual poisoning are relatively rare. According to the 2007 edition of Guinness World Records, this plant is the most poisonous plant in the world. Castor oil has many uses in medicine and other applications. An alcoholic extract of the leaf was shown to protect the liver from damage from certain poisons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more countdown videos.